In this video, I'll show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on Discord mobile. So once you're on Discord, go to your profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to settings in the top right. Once you're here, go ahead and click on account, which should be the second one down. And then once you've done that, you can scroll down to enable Authenticator app. Click on that. It's going to then prompt you to download either Authy or Google Authenticator. I'm going to go ahead and download Authy now. So I've searched on the App Store for Authy. We're going to go ahead and download here Twilio Authy, which is going to be the correct authenticator app. We'll click Get, and this is a very simple app to use. So here inside of the app, it's going to ask us to create an account, which I'm going to do now. Once you've done that and you've activated your account, you'll be then welcomed. We can then click on the plus icon. Now, it's going to ask us to scan a QR, but because we're authorizing Discord here, we need to click Enter Key manually, and then you need to enter in a key from Discord. So open up Discord, go ahead and click Next on this window, and here you should see your key. Go ahead and copy that, then paste it in here, then click Save. We can go ahead and search for the logo. I'm just going to add a generic logo and click Continue. I'm going to call the account here Discord, we'll click Save. And here, this token here, you need to go ahead and sync this with your Discord account. So this token will update every 30 seconds. So click copy, then go back to Discord, click next, and it's going to ask, allow here. It's going to ask for a password. So go ahead and enter in your password to Discord. Then once you've activated it, you can then click done. And there you go, you've now activated two-factor authentication. Now, when you next log in, it's going to ask you for the key. Now, the key you will see on Authy. So here you can see, here is the key. You can go ahead and copy this. Every time that you want to log into Discord, it will ask for it. You just need to copy this and paste it into Discord. So I hope that was useful, and I hope it helped you out.